Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition 2025, a versatile travel adventure machine. The 2025 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition is a premier adventure motorcycle built to deliver unmatched performance for global explorers. This travel-focused machine offers advanced technology, a durable build, and rider-friendly features, making it a top choice for those who seek thrilling adventures across challenging terrains. Advanced traction control and safety features. The Norden 901 Expedition is equipped with a refined cornering motorcycle traction control (MTC) system. The system includes a slip adjuster that offers 10 adjustable levels of rear wheel slip, allowing riders to choose the appropriate setting based on their skill level and the terrain they're navigating. This feature optimizes control during cornering, ensuring that the rear wheel can drift safely while allowing the front wheel to clear obstacles. For improved safety, the 2025 Norden 901 Expedition includes a new hazard light warning system, handlebar integrated controls, and enhanced mirrors to boost visibility. A USB-C charging port has also been added for rider convenience, ensuring that electronic devices can remain charged during long rides. Powerful engine and €5+ compliance. At the heart of the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition is a robust 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, generating 105 horsepower and 100 Nm of torque. This engine not only offers smooth power delivery but also ensures reliable performance both on and off the road. The engine is integrated as a stressed member within the chromium molybdenum steel frame, creating a more compact design and enhancing agility. Additionally, the exhaust system has been revised to meet €5+ emission standards, ensuring both high performance and environmental responsibility. High-performance suspension and customizability. The Norden 901 Expedition comes fitted with fully adjustable WP XPLOR suspension. With 240 mm of travel, riders can fine-tune compression, rebound, and preload to suit their riding preferences. This allows for maximum comfort and control, especially in off-road environments. The advanced suspension ensures that the bike can handle the most demanding terrains with ease and confidence. Comfort and convenience for long rides. Designed for extended adventures, the Norden 901 Expedition includes a host of comfort-enhancing features. Heated grips and a heated seat ensure warmth in cold weather conditions, while a Touring Windshield helps reduce wind fatigue at higher speeds. A side bag set offers 36 liters of storage capacity, providing ample space for essential travel gear. A heavy-duty skid plate protects the engine and fuel tank during off-road excursions, while a center stand makes maintenance more accessible. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The Norden 901 Expedition boasts a 5-inch TFT display, which is both glare and scratch resistant, offering a clear view of essential riding information such as speed, fuel consumption, and water temperature. Riders can pair the motorcycle with the Husqvarna Motorcycles app via the connectivity unit, providing access to turn-by-turn plus navigation, real-time traffic updates, and control over music and phone calls. All functions can be managed through the handlebar-mounted buttons, ensuring a seamless and safe riding experience. Ride modes and off-road capability. The 2025 Norden 901 Expedition offers 4 selectable ride modes: street, rain, off-road, and the optional Explorer mode. These modes allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to different environments and conditions. The bike also features cutting-edge cornering ABS with an off-road mode, ensuring maximum braking performance on both paved roads and rugged trails. Additional features include a ride-by-wire throttle with adjustable response, the easy shift function for smoother gear transitions, and a power-assisted slipper clutch, PASC, for improved control during deceleration. The bike is equipped with tubeless spoked wheels and Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires, providing exceptional grip and durability in both on-road and off-road settings. Large fuel tank and extended range. The Norden 901 Expedition is fitted with a large 19-liter fuel tank, offering an impressive range of up to 400 kilometers on a full tank. This makes the bike ideal for long-distance journeys, allowing riders to explore remote areas without frequent fuel stops. Customization and apparel collection. Husqvarna offers an extensive range of technical accessories to further enhance the Norden 901 Expedition's capabilities. Riders can choose from various luggage solutions, premium components, and additional protective elements. Husqvarna's functional apparel collection includes high-quality gear that offers both protection and functionality, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Availability and price. The 2025 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition is now available at authorized Husqvarna dealerships worldwide. The price for this adventure-ready motorcycle starts at approximately $16,499. However, pricing and availability may vary depending on the region, so customers are encouraged to contact their local Husqvarna mobility subsidiary for specific details. In conclusion, the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition 2025 is an exceptionally well-rounded adventure bike, offering top-tier technology, performance, and comfort for riders seeking long-distance exploration and off-road thrills. With its customizable features, powerful engine, and advanced safety systems, it is a perfect companion for both seasoned adventurers and those new to the world of long-distance travel.